welcome to Sonic Sciences. Have you ever listened to a recording of your voice and thought, is that really what I sound like? It's a bit weird, right? Let's learn some of the fascinating sonic science behind why hearing your own voice can sometimes be a kind of cringe-worthy experience. When we speak, sound waves travel through the air and into our ears. We all know that. Well, that's only part of the story. You see, when you talk, your vocal cords vibrate. These vibrations travel through your bones and tissues, reaching your inner ear directly. This process is called bone conduction. That's the real mystery revealed. This is actually why we hear ourselves differently when we speak. The sound you hear through bone conduction is a lower and richer tone because your bones enhance lower frequency sounds. Bone conduction works by transmitting vibrations through the bones of your skull to the cochlea, the spiral-shaped organ in your inner ear. The cochlea then converts these vibrations into neural signals that your brain interprets as sound. But when you hear a recording of your voice, you're only getting the air-conducted sound, which is missing all that rich depth that bone conduction provides. So what you hear on a recording can seem higher and less familiar. It's not just you, it's science, sonic science. And there's also a psychological twist. The mere exposure effect, a psychological phenomenon, makes us prefer things we're familiar with, since we're more used to hearing our own voice internally. And the external version can seem foreign and, frankly, a little off-putting. So the next time you cringe at the sound of your own voice on a recording, remember it's not just you being overly critical. It's your brain getting tricked by the lack of bone conduction and an unfamiliar sound pattern. Fascinating, isn't it? Sonic Sciences will keep exploring the weird and wonderful quirks of the human experience. Join us next time because that was cool, right? Please like, comment, and subscribe to help further the expeditions of Sonic Sciences. You hear?